In this video, I will show you how to control your TCL Smart TV without the remote control. So if for some reasons you misplaced your remote control or your TCL Smart TV remote is not just working, this video will help you still fully control your TCL Smart TV as though you still have the physical remote control even though you do not have it. And mind you, this will work for any type of TCL Smart TV, whether you have the TCL Google TV, TCL Android TV just like this one over here, or even the TCL Roku TV. Now going into the video, I am going to be showing you two methods to still control your TCL Smart TV without the remote control. Now for the first method, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and look for the power button just under the TCL logo over here on your TCL Smart TV. Now in some models of TCL Smart TV, you might actually find it on the right hand side or on the left hand side of your TCL Smart TV depending on the model, but then just go over to the bottom, you should see the power button. Now, once you locate that particular button, you just want to tap on it once and automatically you should see a menu just like this on your TCL Smart TV. Now, from this menu over here, you can literally see that we can do a couple of things. We can change channels, we can adjust the volume, change the input source, and even put the TV on standby. And now to navigate through this menu, what you just want to do is to continuously tap on the button to just navigate to the next option you have over there. And to select any option, you just want to go ahead and long press on the button and automatically your TCL Smart TV will start performing that particular task. For instance, you can see that this is actually the volume up and the volume of my TCL Smart TV is increasing. The same thing for the volume down. I can go ahead and just long press on it to basically reduce the volume. I can also go ahead and change the input source from over here. Just long press on it and the input source of my TCL Smart TV will be changed into the next one. There's also other things I can do over here. I can go ahead and turn on the TV and turn it off, and even go ahead and change channels if I actually have an antenna or cable connected to my TCL Smart TV. Now this is actually the simplest way to still control your TCL Smart TV without the remote control, but like I said before, it is actually limited because you cannot control apps with this particular method. And this brings us to the second solution to still control the TCL Smart TV without the remote control. And for this method, we'll be controlling our TCL Smart TV using our phone over here. Now for you to do this, first things first, you want to make sure that both your TCL Smart TV and your mobile phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now if you do not know how to connect your TCL Smart TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control, I've made a perfect tutorial to connect your TCL Smart TV to any Wi-Fi network without the remote control. You can go ahead and check that out. I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular video in the description of this video. And once your TCL Smart TV and your phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and download and install the Google Home app. This will enable us control the TCL Smart TV even without the remote control. Now, this is basically how the app looks like, and you can actually find it on your iOS App Store or your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Just go ahead and open up the app and then set it up. Once the app opens, you want to head over to the devices tab at the bottom of the app over here, and from here you should be able to find the name of your TCL Smart TV over here as one of the devices you can actually connect to. Now basically you can only find this device over here if your TCL Smart TV and your phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now you just want to go ahead and click on it just like so, and then over here you're going to see the open remote option over here. Click on it and automatically you have this nice looking remote control that allows you to navigate your TCL Smart TV without the physical remote. So with this particular method, I can go ahead and open up apps on my TCL Smart TV and even navigate to the settings to perform any tasks I want to perform from over there. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.